Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be discussing about 15 unique ways to start a class for teachers. Starting a class with creativity and enthusiasm can set a positive tone for the entire learning experience. Here are 15 unique ways to begin a class. 1. Mindful moment. Begin with a brief mindfulness or relaxation exercise to help students focus and center themselves for the upcoming lesson. 2. Quote of the day. Share an inspiring or thought-provoking quote related to the day's lesson and initiate a short discussion about its relevance. 3. Mystery object. Place a mysterious object related to the lesson on the desk and ask students to make predictions or share their initial thoughts about it. 4. Quick quiz. Start with a short, fun quiz related to the previous lesson or a review of key concepts to engage students' prior knowledge. 5. Story starter. Provide a captivating story starter or scenario that ties into the day's topic, and have students continue the story or discuss its implications. 6. Music mood. Play a piece of music that reflects the mood of the lesson or connects to a specific theme, and ask students to share their thoughts on the song. 7. Interactive polls. Use technology to create a quick online poll or survey related to the lesson, and discuss the results with the class. 8. Current events connection. Relate the lesson to a recent news article or current event, sparking interest and highlighting the real-world relevance of the topic. 9. Puzzle challenge. Present a puzzle or brain teaser related to the lesson, encouraging students to solve it individually or in groups. 10. Themed props. Introduce a prop or object that symbolizes the day's lesson, sparking curiosity and serving as a conversation starter. 11. Guest speaker or video. Arrange for a guest speaker or show a relevant video clip to kick off the lesson and provide a different perspective. 12. Question box. Have a question box where students can anonymously submit questions or topics they'd like to discuss, and start the class by addressing one or more of these questions. 13. Collaborative art. Initiate a short collaborative art project that ties into the lesson, fostering teamwork and creativity. 14. Classroom countdown. Display a countdown timer on the board and ask students to brainstorm ideas or predictions related to the upcoming lesson before time runs out. 15. Virtual reality exploration. If resources allow, use virtual reality (VR) to take students on a brief virtual exploration related to the lesson, creating an immersive and engaging experience. These unique approaches can capture students' attention, stimulate their curiosity, and create a positive atmosphere for learning. Experiment with different methods to discover what resonates best with your particular class and subject matter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks again for watching.